In this video, I will show you how to schedule posts on TikTok app. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my TikTok app. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead, make sure you click on your profile right here. Click on profile. Then make sure you go to TikTok Studio. Then go ahead and make sure you download this app right here. So for that, simply go ahead and click on download. That's going to redirect you to Play Store if you are using Android phone. If you are using iPhone, it's going to redirect you to App Store. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on install. After a successful download, click on open. Then go ahead and click on login to TikTok. Click on allow. Now you have successfully logged into TikTok Studio app. Next thing you want to do right here is to click on upload tab right here. Click on allow all. Then proceed to video. Then select the video you would like to post and schedule. Like for instance, I want to post this particular video right here. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on schedule post. Then choose date. Then choose time. Then click on done. Go ahead and enter the title. Then go ahead and click on post. Click on schedule post. Post schedule. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.